Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you one of the many ways to prepare a good lentil soup. The night before, we will have submerged our lentils in water to soften them. Then we will start off by rinsing the water from the lentils. We will also grate the tomato and slice the garlic. Pour some olive oil in a pan and start browning the garlic. Once browned, add 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, but be careful not to burn it. Quickly add the tomato and cook it for a while, then set it aside. In a bigger pot, pour some olive oil and add the onions, cut in julienne style. You can also add some salt to taste. After it starts to get golden, you can add the diced chorizo. For more flavor, we will include a couple of bay leaves. Afterwards, we will add the diced potato and carrot. Frying the ingredients before cooking them will allow them to release more intense flavor into the stew. Now, time to add the lentils. And finally, the water until covering all the ingredients. As soon as the water starts boiling, we can add the bunch of chard or spinach and we let it boil on a medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. We can control the cooking by checking when both the potato and the carrot are soft. Meanwhile, we will take the sauce we set aside in the beginning in a separate recipient and add a couple of ladles of the cooked lentils, just like that. And we blend the mix until it's homogeneous. Finally, once the lentils are fully cooked, we add this blended mix into the pot. And enjoy!
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.